The Ukrainian Secret Service GUR successfully disabled another Russian warship. The Baltic Fleet minesweeper Alexander Obukov, based in the city of Baltiysk, was damaged during a special operation. After water entered the engine, it's now in for expensive and complex repairs. This is the second Russian ship disabled by Ukraine in the past 6 months.
October 3rd, 2024. Alexander Robukov. They're looking into the issue with the main engine because water got inside the engine. The turbine was dismantled and the compensator was removed. They're searching for a hole through which half the water got inside.